Prosecution and defense teams each laying out their cases today before a jury in Hunter Biden's federal gun trial.
Fox 5's Chris Welch joining us now in studio. And Chris, we also learned about another Biden family member that's set to testify in this trial.
Yes, that's right, Stephen. Teresa, James Biden, the president's brother, will be called. He's close to Hunter, and he helped him through some rehab stints in the past. Just one thing we learned today as day 2 and opening statements now in the books.
Hunter Biden was inside a Delaware courtroom for the second day of his federal firearms case, and once again, First Lady Jill Biden also in attendance. In opening statements, prosecutors arguing that, quote, no one is above the law. They're attempting to paint the president's son as deceptive and driven by addiction. He's charged with 3 felonies stemming from the purchase of the Colt revolver when he was, according to his 2021 memoir, addicted to crack. That memoir on full display Tuesday. Prosecutors played lengthy audio clips in which Hunter, in his own narration, talks about going back to Delaware around the time of the gun purchase and his descent into drugs following the death of his brother Beau in 2015. Prosecutors allege Hunter lied on a federal gun form in 2018, claiming he was not a drug user. His attorney, Abby Lowell, telling the court Hunter was in denial about his addiction, adding he was abusing alcohol, not drugs, when he bought a small handgun. Photographs from Hunter Biden's now infamous laptop will also play a role in this trial.
Prosecution has to prove you were a drug addict, and those photographs are consistent with Hunter Biden having been a drug addict at the time he signed the form that said that he was not a drug addict and was not unlawfully using drugs.
After opening statements, prosecutors called FBI Special Agent Erica Jensen to the stand, who said her job was to tie Hunter's alleged addiction to the period when he bought the gun. She's one of several witnesses Special Counsel David Weiss's team plans to have testify.
Family members are going to testify against him. Beau Biden's wife is going to testify about throwing the gun away. And then there's the forensic evidence regarding the cocaine on the gun pouch.
And there may be some witnesses who are both called by the prosecution to say something, I saw him as a drug user at the time, but who may actually be character witness too, to say, I think he's a changed person now, he's been rehabilitated, which is a very sympathetic argument, but it doesn't really go to this very narrow legal issue.
And Hunter Biden has pleaded not guilty to the 3 felony charges against him. He's also facing a federal tax case in Los Angeles, which has been pushed off to September. Steve, back to you.